In a certain code, A equals 1, B is 2, C 3, and the words are encoded by multiplying together the values of their letters, so that the code for square is 19 times 17 times 21 times 1 times 18 times 5, which gives 610 for 70. Similarly, the code for rectangle is 3175 2000. So what is a code for triangle? So let's write it out this way. So we're going to write, if we write out all the alphabets, A, B, C, and I number them, so 1, 2, 3, 8, 11, 12. Right, so now you can see that the code for square is this. So S is 19 and Q is 17, so it's actually the 17th alphabet. Then U is 21, A is 1, R is 18, and E is 5. So you multiply all these numbers and you get 610,470. So similarly, they have worked out the code for rectangle, and we have to find out what the code is for triangle. So if you can always work it out by multiplying each number corresponding to the letter, so multiplying 20, T is 20, and then R is 18, so 20 times 18 times, and so on. I is 9, so you can multiply it. You could also do something which I thought is a bit quicker. But you don't have to do that. You can do it any way you like, because you're given rectangle is this. You're given the value of rectangle, and rectangle and triangle have the angle in common. So if we could find out what the product of these RECT is, and divide it by and divide 3175 2000 by the product of RECT, then we should know what angle is, and we can use that to find out what triangle would be. So all we have to do is use the value of angle and multiply with TRI, the corresponding numbers for TR and I. So T is 20, R is 18, and I is 9. So I can do that if I were to find out first what angle would be, and what rect would be. So rect, RECT, that gives 18 times 5 times 3 times 20, and if I multiply these I get 5400. And so angle would be 3175 to 123 zeros divided by 5400, and that would give me 5880. So this means triangle would be 20, because t is 20, multiplied by r is 18, multiplied by 9, I is 9, and that would be multiplied by 5880, and that would give me 9 times 2 is 18. Yeah, and so I can work it out as 300. Yeah, so that gives me 19051200. They are big numbers you're dealing with, but it's not that hard. You're not supposed to use a calculator in this question. You have to hand do multiplication. So it's 19051200, and that is the answer for triangle, and that is the code for triangle.